If you have used the Flextable before, let's see how we can add some graphics into that. And I'm going to use these three libraries: Flextable, Deployer, and Tibble. And let's create some sample data. I'm going to use the built-in data set called empty cars. I'm using this row names to convert this into a column. So we'll have something like this after running that command. Now we are ready with our data. Let's do some more transformation. I'm creating a smaller data set, only selecting car, displacement, and the weight. And then after selecting these three columns, I'm going to pick only the top 6 values based on the weight, and I'm creating another column called displacement bar. So this is how you normally create your Flextable, by just passing the data frame to it. But I'm going to create another command called compose, and then this will do all the magic. So let's start dissecting this command one by one. So here we go. This is the overall command. I'm saying j equals displacement bar, the column which I just created before. So j stands for column. So this was the column which I created, displacement bar. And then the next step would be to say value equals displacement, DISP. And next one is the maximum value should be the max of the displacement column from the df small table. And of course, these are the bar colors, and this is the background color. And then lastly, this is the height for that. So with that, we are now ready with our command. And now lastly, I just want to change the column name, the display name for a column. So with that, let's run our script and see what the results are. So basic Flextable looks much better now. We have a minibar which shows the displacement as a graphical value. You can see the maximum values and all the variations in between. And of course, you can change the colors. If I'm changing it to green and white, you'll get something like this. So using this compose command, we can do a lot of variations in our graphics. We can do this different type of graphics, sparklines, etc., which we'll cover in the next few videos. So I hope you found this information useful and practical. Thank you very much for watching it, and I'll see you in the next one.